Hello everyone, I'm just giving an update on my restoration project on the Cherokee here. It's been probably about 3 going on 4 weeks. I've got my engine bay shot. That's the yellow that I want to go with. Everything's looking pretty good, making some progress. Get everything prepped and ready. I got my short piece of the rocker that I put in there, and my dog leg back fitted in, and my quarter. Everything's starting to come together on it. Time-consuming project, but hopefully it'll all pay off when it's all said and done. But just a little bit of an update. Give me your opinions and your thoughts, and hopefully the next time I'll be doing a shoot or a little video, an update, I'll have most of it painted. We'll just go from there. But it's the yellow on it, which might be kind of hard to pick up. It's actually a 98, 99 Range Rover yellow, and so feel free to leave your comments.